All right, now let's talk about BulkAdd. BulkAdd is one of Uno's most useful features because it basically automatically adds your diffuse or PBR bundle textures to the corresponding buttons automatically. All you have to do is make sure that your textures are named correctly. Now, I highly recommend when you export them from Substance or Photoshop, you already name them in the format that you need. That way you don't have to do it later. But you can, of course, manually rename them later, or you can just use a program for your computer that automatically renames them for you. Either way. Now, let's say for these two buttons, black brush and black shiny, I want to add diffuse textures, but I don't want to add them manually. So the way we would do this is using the BulkAdd feature. So I'm going to go ahead and rename them. Now, if these are going to be PBR bundle textures, then you would start it off by putting PBR. But since these are normal diffuse textures, we don't need to do that. So the first thing I would write is the name of the button. Then I'll put an exclamation point and put the page number that it's on. Another exclamation point, and then I would put the link name. And the face or faces. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the second one. So this is the format that your textures need to be named. Button name, exclamation point, page that the button is on, exclamation point, link name, hashtag faces. Now we're going to edit our HUD and drop these two textures inside. Once you do that, you simply select the BulkAdd button and wait for it to finish. Now, Uno is very, very fast. So no matter how many textures you have in there, it should really only take a second or two to process them all. Now, if we check the contents, you'll see that they were automatically deleted by Uno. And then if we click on the buttons, you'll see that they got automatically added to the corresponding buttons. And that's it. So if you combine the duplicate feature with the BulkAdd feature, creating an Uno texture HUD can take less than 10 minutes, sometimes even less than 5, once you get comfortable with it and you change your creative process to work with Uno's formats and whatnot. They're very, very handy automated features that make creating a HUD just so fast, and it cuts down a lot on creation time. And that's it. That's how you use the BulkAdd feature.